There's a brand new way to get an endless amount of content for your Twitter feed. It's easy, free content, and it's actually giving us impressions. The way to do it is to pick a target X profile and either retweet or quote that user's content. We're doing it with AI, and it's allowing us to contribute to the conversation. Let me show you how to do it. First, you're going to head on over to youraiagent.com. Your AI Agent is a comprehensive business suite of AI agents for your company. Enter your name and email address, password, and then click sign up. It's going to drop you onto the settings page. And from here, we need to connect our Twitter account. So let's go to X Twitter version 2. At any point, if you get stuck, you can click the watch video icon at the top. But I'm going to enter my username. This is just naming it within your AI Agent. And now we need a client ID. So for that, we're going to go to the developer portal. In the developer portal dashboard, you're going to select your app and then go to user authentication settings. Make sure you select read and write and direct message. That's under app permissions. The type of app needs to be native app, and the callback URI needs to be youraiagent.com/settings. And you can put whatever you want for the website URL. No need to pause the video to get this URL. On the settings page, you could just copy it right from here and then paste it in. Then click save, then go to keys and tokens, and then their client ID is at the bottom. So let's copy this, paste it in here, click connect. It's going to ask you to authorize this app with your connected Twitter profile. Make sure you're logged into the right profile, the one that you want to post with, and then click authorize app. If everything is good, you're going to get a notification that says your X Twitter version 2 account has been connected. We can click OK. And then on the settings page, you'll see your connection right down here. Now we can go over to home. On the home page is where you'll see all of the AI agents we have available. And you can give this a scroll and see which ones will work for your company. But in this video, we're going to do the Twitter agents. So I'm going to filter by Twitter version 2. And we want the new quote repost agent. Repost, also called a retweet, or quote tweets from your chosen Twitter X username with personalized commentary. Let's click start now. Okay, you want to choose your connection. So I'm choosing that Twitter connection I just connected to the platform. I want to post on all days of the week. And now we have two options here. We have quote or just a repost. So I'm going to make an agent for both of these. But the first thing we need to do is find a Twitter profile. So we're going to enter that username of the public Twitter profile. And this is the user that we want to consistently quote or repost onto our own feed. Here I am on Twitter. Let me search for Andrew Huberman, and I'm going to grab this guy's username and then put it in here. We also have the option to provide listening context, and this is an option if you don't want to repost or quote everything that's on Huberman's feed. Let's say you're targeting someone who talks about a wide range of topics, and your business or your profile specifically talks about one thing. You're going to want to filter those posts out. I give an example here, only respond to references about cryptocurrency and ignore all other topics. I know Huberman doesn't talk about cryptocurrency, but if there was a user you were targeting and he talks about sports, crypto, politics, and you don't want sports and politics on your feed, you can say just respond to crypto, and the AI agent will filter those posts and only quote and retweet the ones that matter. So I'll write something like repost everything and anything this user posts. So it's kind of like a catch-all. The next section is the agent prompt. These are top level instructions describing what the agent is supposed to do and how it should generally behave and respond. The dynamic data that we're including is the post. And this is that extra little bit of post commentary in your quote. So it quotes the tweet and then it adds a bit of context. I give you a basic one here. You are an AI agent specialized in generating insightful responses to posts on Twitter X. And then when a post is given that will be quoted, craft a concise, relevant, and meaningful reply aligned closely with the tone and context of the original post. If you want this AI agent to sound like you, talk like you, maybe you have a branded voice, you're witty, write all that in here. Maybe give it some examples too. This is going to better craft your AI agent's responses. Now I can click Start Agent. It will take me to the workflows page where I can see all of my active AI agents. And I see this one right here, quote Huberman Lab. If I click on the info button, I see his last post, my Twitter post, and that the match context was true. And remember, we were doing a catch-all for everything. So of course, this post was going to be requoted on my feed. I can click on the link and here we go. My AI agent wrote, "It's inspiring to see how collaborations and shared ambitions can lead to groundbreaking research. Sergiu's journey highlights the importance of daring to tackle the big questions in science. Excited to see where his innovations will lead next." There's maybe too many exclamation marks, so I might edit my agent prompt and say easy on the exclamation marks. But it's quoting this post from Huberman. Actually, I'm going to do that now. I'm going to go into edit workflow, go down to the agent prompt and add "do not add excessive exclamation marks." Then click save changes. And on the next scheduled run, our AI agent should cool it a bit with its enthusiasm. I want to add one more agent. Let's go to Twitter version 2. And we're going to choose the quote repost again. But this time I'm just going to repost. And you can see that immediately the agent prompt disappeared. That is because a repost or a retweet does not add any commentary. It's just a simple reposting. So same thing, we can provide a listening context. I'm going to turn this off to catch everything, but we also need a Twitter profile. And for that, I'm going to search Noah Kagan. Let's grab his username, paste it in here, click Start Agent. We see both of these running at once. I'm going to click on Edit, and it shows the recent Noah Kagan post that we retweeted. Now, I don't like that this was a comment to another user. So in the future, I would maybe add a listening context that said, if it's a reply to another user, just ignore it. I don't want to repost it. If you want to try the quote retweet AI agent for yourself and start getting extra impressions to your Twitter profile, I'll leave a link to youraiagent.com in the description below. If you want to learn how to build your own AI agents and turn it into a profitable web app, check out my online course, How to Build a Custom AI App. If you land on this page and click View the Syllabus, you can see we have Bubble Fundamentals, Bubble Advanced, how you can add AI features to your app, and even how you can monetize it to start making a profit. I'll leave a link to this in the description as well. And if you like this video, I put 2 more on the screen right now. Both have been catered to your personal YouTube watch history. Give one of them a click for me, give it a watch, and I'll see you in there. Peace.